Hello guys, welcome back to Indian Product Reviewer, and today we are going to review the LifeTech USB 3.0 for your 2.5 hard disk drive. So this is the packaging as you can see here. So this is the box which it comes in, and it works for Windows 8 as well as Windows 10 also, and it works for Mac, and it comes in a rugged aluminum case, supports 2.5 SATA hard disk drive, works in Mac and Windows, plug and play. And I will show you the unboxing of this today. And actually I've done the unboxing. I'm just going to show you what package it comes in. So again, it is made in from an Indian company. So again, it is coming from the Indian company LifeTech, and it is made in China, but it is from an Indian company based in Mumbai. So this is how the package comes. So this is the hard disk, and a leather pouch comes free with it, and a wire, which I will show you in a moment. So this is the aluminum case, as you can see. So LifeTech branding here, and it is very simplistic to install a hard disk inside. You have to just press this button and it pops out. The upper layer pops out, as I can show you. So you have to just press this, and as you can see, it pops out from here, and you have to just push it back, and this is the hard disk. And the installation is simple. There is no screw or screwdrivers which we need, so just a hard disk like this. It swaps out, and if you want to install it, you have to just push it in, and it just locks it here, and you have to just pressurize the bottom, and it snaps like this, and it's done. You have to just put this back, and you have to align, and you have to just push it here, and it's done. And it's 3.0, so you will get a high speed data transfer. So I am getting between 21 Mbps of data transfer speed from this, and if I'm transferring like only song file or something, it gives like 51 Mbps or 61 Mbps, and so it's pretty good. So that's it guys, this was a LifeTech unboxing. If you want to buy these products, link will be in the description. So thank you.